Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay for gas using the Costco application. So first of all, before you reach the pump, you need to simply launch your Costco application and make sure that your membership is verified. Now inside the app, simply click on the option of the account section. Over here, among the given options, simply select the option of Costco wallet. Now over here you need to simply add a supported Visa card as your saved payment method, and then you just have to make sure that your payment method is enabled to use. Now when you arrive at the Costco gas station, you need to simply open your digital membership card in the application and scan it at the pump. Now after your membership is recognized, you can choose the option to use your saved Costco wallet payment method, then follow further on-screen prompts on the pump, authorize the payment and start fueling. You can also keep the shop card funds in your Costco wallet, and then you can use the wallet at eligible Costco locations including gas stations. Just remember that the Costco app's digital membership card is different from simply showing a screenshot, so make sure that you use the live card from the application so that the scanner can read it correctly. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.